Can I ask you something? It's Thursday night. Are you sitting there already counting down till the weekend? Because I can tell you now that is exactly what I used to do. I used to work all week, wait for Friday, enjoy 2 days, and then with a blink of an eye, Sunday came around and I had to do everything again. The cycle started all over again. At some point, I started asking myself, do I really want to spend the next 10, 20, 30 years living for the weekends? Wishing my life away, because that's essentially what you do. I knew I wanted more from life, not just more money. I wanted more time, more freedom, more moments with the people that I really loved spending time with. That's why I decided to build something alongside my 9 to 5. So eventually I would become free. And no, it didn't happen overnight. I am free now, but it wasn't an overnight success. But today I get to look at life differently. So if you're sitting there tonight thinking, surely there has to be more to life, there has to be more than this, I can tell you there is, and that is why you are seeing this post. And maybe tonight is the night you stop just thinking about it and start looking into what's possible. I can show you what I got started with that allowed me to enjoy my life instead of wishing it away every single day to get to the weekend. Comment, show me, and I'll get the details to you.